Good evening, guys. How are you? I just would like to thank you for this opportunity, Sir Chris. So, good evening, everyone. And before I begin, I would like to thank this opportunity for you guys for attending in this session. I know it's been busy. It's a busy time of the year after Christmas. We have holidays still ongoing, but you guys stay here with us to listen. You show up. So that alone is a big thing for us. But you will though you're not gonna regret. You're gonna learn a lot in here. So, without further ado, my name, by the way, is Marife Edkilam, and I am the founder, as you can see, of Nurseway LLC. Before I begin all this thing, I want to say thank you to Nasha for organizing this. So, Sir Chris and I already have known from last year, so we used to refer nurses from the previous agency I used to work with. And then when he knew that I have my own agency, he messaged me right away, like, "Hey, mom, and we have a talk about this, and we can have a proposal, and we can have more nurses in your company." So it was really a good proposal, actually, for between Nurseway and also Nasha, along with our partners here in the U.S. And it's 5 o'clock in the morning here, actually. Sir Chris, and to all of you guys. So I'm here in Texas, and I'm truly grateful for this opportunity, to show to you guys the platform of Nurseway LLC. Really, thank you. And for those of you who are NCLEX passers, congratulations. And for those who are ongoing process of NCLEX, study hard and enjoy also work life and balance. For as long as you have the guidelines of NASHA International or consultancy, they're gonna guide you all through until you pass the exams. Okay, so moving forward, can we show the next slide, Sir Chris? Thank you so much. So, what is Nurseway LLC? Who we are? So, Nurseway LLC, by the way, is simply the goal for this is to bridge the gap between international nursing talent, and that's you, and the U.S. healthcare employees. So, helping nurses build their careers in the U.S. So some nurses were going to ask, "Mom, what is bridge the gap?" Bridging the gap means in nurse way. This simply means making easier to connect and work together. And you will know that one later as we go through with the slides, okay? Our mission is simply like to build with the international nurses, not only Filipinos. Of course, we have a lot of Filipino nurses because this is most of us are Filipinos, actually. Like our partners here in the U.S. are Filipinos, and we have nurses from Africa. We have nurses from Nepal and even from Korea. Our vision here is we have a big vision for this. We want to be known like globally, along with our partners here in the US to help with the nurses. Move on to the next slide, sir, please. Please. Okay, so that's me. I registered, by the way, here in Texas. So I'm one of the founder. I'm the owner of Nurseway LLC, and I'm a registered nurse as well. So I'm still working in the hospital. I've been a nurse for like more than 20 years, or 24 years to be exact. So we all know, guys, that healthcare is the backbone of every healthcare system. I know you all guys remember like the COVID-19, where everything shut down, and the only people remains are the healthcare professionals, and that's us. And they even entitled us to be like the essentials, and we're still essentials. Even if they don't give us that title, we still, like, do our job like by heart when we care for our nurses. So I have seen that one. I've been a travel nurse, from bedside to teaching, and then a leadership. So with that, it led me into like this led me to create the Nurseway LLC, and that's I believe is my purpose here. So move to the next slide, Sir Chris, please. Okay, move on to the next slide. So here's the good news, guys, for every one of you here in this Zoom. There's a projected shortage of nurses. Actually, we're already short of nurses here in the US. So if you can see, there's 91% of nurses to be reported that, shortage of nursing will gonna be like worsening in the next 2030. So don't wait till 2030 before you apply here in US. The best thing to decide when to apply is really now. So if you are already a passer of NCLEX, do not delay your I-140 petition filing. So some nurses actually come to us like in 2 years. They could have had filed for I-140. They could have had already the priority date with them at that time. So all you have to do is just wait for your priority date to be current. But of course, because they are not knowledgeable about this, they don't know. Like a lot of the nurses, some of the nurses I have interviewed, even Sir Chris can testify that, like after their NCLEX exam, like they don't even know what's next. They will come to the, oh, yun pala ang next, ma'am. Yes. So if you want to hop around with agencies and see what's the best for you, then go for it. But don't delay like after a year, or even the worst after 2 years. So you could have reserved your priority date already by then. So by the way, what's priority date? So priority date is, or PD is the date when your immigration petition was filed and accepted by the USCIS, or U.S. Citizenship and Immigration Services. So for EB3, like most of the skilled nurses globally, we applied for EB3. It means that it is the date you are filed your I-140 petition by the employer. Okay? So that's how it is. And what's I-140 again? So some nurses will ask again, like, what is the I-140? I-140 is simply is a form filed by the U.S. employer to sponsor a foreign worker for U.S. for a green card pathway. So what does it do? So it proves the employer that they can pay the offered wage regardless of their category, may it be EB1, EB2, or EB3. But for us, skilled worker, nurses, we belong to EB3. Okay? So move on to the next slide, Sir Chris. So these are our partners. So collaborating to support the global healthcare professionals. So Nurseway doesn't work by itself. So I'm not working alone here. So we have collaborate partners, which is Visa Made Easy, Vet Global, and Nasha, and yours truly. So because we believe by working together as a team, we are sure that the process will be organized, transparent, and compliance of U.S. regulations, and helping nurses move forward with confidence with their U.S. application. So every one of us has its role. So Visa Made Easy is our U.S. immigration, U.S. based immigration assistant here. And also we have our DC, our document comptroller, who collects the documents of the nurses once they sign a contract with us. They're very good of collecting the documents and what's missing. And the good thing with us here is, like, for example, the nurse, if like they're not responding to the emails of our DCT, sorry for that, DC team, they will gonna send me an email, or I'm gonna reach out to Sir Chris. Hey, Sir Chris, this nurse is not responding, and I'm so glad Sir Chris is very good with sending messages to their nurses, because the nurses starts with them. This is an end-to-end process. We want it to be that way. Like in our profession, like we have continuity of care. That's how we do it in here. Being a nurse myself, and I have been an international nurse also like you are. So we want to have a continuity of your application. We don't want any pending, you know, submission of your documents. So I always ask Sir Chris, hey Sir Chris, can you reach out with this nurse? Nurse, we're going to reach out with Chris, and the nurse we're gonna reach out back to us, and so with our DC team. So this is the thing, guys. Like with your application, with your EB3, we are only the tool here. So everything is in the hands of the applicants, and that's you. Kung mabagal si nurse, mabagal din na application, takbo na application mo. So you have to help yourself too. So this is we work here as a team. It's more on the nurse side kasi if you gonna delay all your papers, it's gonna affect also in the long run. Remember, you're not the only applicant. There are several applicants all over the world. That's not only Filipinos. So you have to submit your documents, and also if you have any question, we can easily be reached, like to Chris, to our DC team, and so myself is. Because right now, there is no excuse, guys, not to communicate. Back then, well, during my time, actually, we don't have this technology. Most of the employers before, a lot of the employers before, US employers, really want, they gonna go to our country, home country, to have their marketing. But now we can do with the use of the technology like this, the info sessions, and I'm sure some of the agencies are doing that one too, which is very convenient, and also and very convenient, the most convenient time for the nurses, not only for the nurses or other health cares, and a lot of times, and we can have a Q and A's and as well. So it's very less cost to the US employers to go to our country or different countries, if they, whatever countries they wanted to. And other than that, yeah, we work hand in hand with Visa Mid Easy, the Vet Global, and Nasha, also with Sir Chris Francisco. Next slide, Sir Chris. So NurseWave does not make any promises, and we do not replace the U.S. Um, since attorneys, but we collaborate with them. So let me clear with that with the nurses. NurseWave doesn't make any promises. We don't replace U.S. Immigration lawyers, but we collaborate with them. With them, sorry for that. We operate in full compliance with U.S. regulations. We work with licensed U.S. immigration attorneys for EB3 sponsorship that provides free legal representation for nurses. Okay. So with the collaboration of us, the four of us, this gonna give us a strong industry collaboration in the next year. So we have really a big goal for NASHA, Nurseway, Visa Mid Easy, and Vet Global. So the good thing here is you have both direct hire and staffing placement services. So when I first came here in the U.S., actually, the agency that sponsored me, they only offer for staffing. Some agencies offered for mainly direct hire. Some agency offered only for staffing placement. So here you have both the rec and the staffing placement. It's like a one-stop shop, agency you can choose from. So employer sponsored hiring pathways. This is how it goes, and alignment of nurse qualification with their employer's needs. So if the nurse like, hey, I want to be in the rec hire, it's okay. So we give you opportunity to have an interview with the direct hire employers, and also, give chance yourself also to be interviewed as a staffing placement, because there are also like good benefits both sides as well. So look at both sides and weigh for yourself which one is better for you. Our goal here is sustainable employment and long-term career growth for you guys, for nurses. Okay, next slide, sir, please. So these are just one of a few of our nurses' feedback. So this is Miss Angeli Montero. She is licensed in the Philippines, and she is also a Australian license. So she reached out to me. Basically, she asked me, she wants to be here in the U.S., but she's an Australian license. She just passed an NCLEX Australia. So she asked me where to transfer her score. So I told her this is a good thing. So if you want to come with us, let me connect you with Nasha. So I started to connect with her with Sir Chris, and then it was, I don't know, Sir Chris, how many weeks did she able to get the score transfer from Australia to US? I think I remember it was Northern Mariana Islands. Yes.
Yeah, yeah. When it comes to the time frame, I don't have any specific information because we have huge number of nurses
I
we
know.
find.
Yeah.
But
But
basically, we commit a certain time frame, let's say 1 to 2 months, but we can accomplish the process earlier than that.
okay, yeah, that's great. So as soon as we transfer or Nasha transfer score, that's when we applied her for I-140. And guess what? Um she already have her priority date. So right now we're just waiting. She went back to the Philippines actually, and she said she's gonna work in the Philippines and earn her bedside experience while waiting for her EB3 to be current or priority date to be current. So we also have another nurse from North Carolina. Next slide, Sir Chris. So this is Mr. Dan Albert Mero. So his status was his wife came here as a teacher. So for teachers, they are like J1 visa. So it's only good for 5 years. And since he's a nurse and he actually processed his NCLEX here in the US and passed, and became a USRN. By then, he reached out to me to apply for an EB3. So we told him we can help you apply for that. But his license at the time was like New York. So he asked me where to process, where can you connect me to process? Of course, Nasha. So I connected him to Nasha. I told him like, basta text mo lang si Sir Chris, he will gonna respond to you, and siya na bahala. So guess what? They already able to transfer his license from New York to North Carolina, and then he's working now in North Carolina. He's just waiting for his EB3 or priority date to be current. So guys, these are just a few of the nurses' stories that we have that I selected. I cannot put everything in one Zoom because I only been given by Sir Chris with 20 minutes. But anyway, so I love to hear stories for the nurses, and my stories too is also like every time the nurse tell me stories they have, and it really inspires me to do more. But I guess this is my calling. I already have known recruitment back then, 2006, by a friend of mine in Davao City, and yeah, and I didn't realize that it's gonna land me in here. So this is me. So every dream starts with day one. Mine began as one day. So I remember this was February 5, 2016. And the moment this was like outside the office of the agency. So we have photo, all of us, like each one of us have photo, and it's really memorable. And then history follows. So that one is, of course, the famous San Francisco Bridge when I went for travel nursing during like COVID time. That's Mount Rushmore in South Dakota. That's just a few of the photos just to inspire you guys for sure. When you come here in the US, you have your own stories to tell. I can testify that. And I can't wait for you guys to tell your own stories when you come here in the US. Okay? So candidate benefits. So we have when you are gonna be here in the U.S. and you're gonna be employed to a facilities. Of course, it's mandated by law to have healthcare benefits, both medical and dental, retirement plan, the paid time off. That's where you get your vacation. And some employers actually facilities will give you some relocation assistance. We can discuss this further, once we have our Zoom interview for specifically like one-on-one, because I love to do Zoom calls or interview with the nurses right before they sign the contract, because there are a lot of questions for sure that will arise when you see the contract, and it's normal. And I love to answer those questions. And if some of the sections I cannot answer, we have our legal team or immigration lawyer that can, answer the rest of the questions that you have that I cannot answer. But most of the time, I was able to answer your questions naman. Next, Sir Chris. So, in conclusion, guys, so Nurseway, we empower nurses to thrive by providing comprehensive support, immigration assistance, and meaningful career opportunities across the United States. And we believe that with the partnership with Visa Made Easy, the Vet Global, NASHA, at the same time, this somehow will gonna give us like a powerful tool to help more nurses, not only Filipino nurses, but nurses globally. And we have helped actually nurses, and I have nurses from Africa and part in Nigeria and also Ghana, and I'm so proud to help with them. And we still keep in touch. After they sign a contract, sometimes they would just want to say hi and low. They become friends. So I like that because we are colleagues. We are same profession. We can relate to each other. So I think that will be all from my part for now, Sir Chris. Um, is there anything else? Do you have any question, nurses? And if you have any questions, you can always take a photo of this one. So you can contact us on our email, website. You can visit our website, and even you can add us on Facebook. So from there, we can I did not add my WhatsApp there, but it's okay. Those are the social medias that you can connect with us. Hello at Nurseway. By the way, we Chris and I has a access for that. So either Chris can reply on you. If Chris cannot answer the question, he will gonna forward that to me. So it's vice versa. We help each other along with our partners here in the U.S. We work as a team here. So we appreciate your time and interest with us here. Do you have any question, nurses?
Well, thank you so much for that one, Ms. Marifer, for giving us the background of Nurseway, the purpose of Nurseway, and of course the partnership that we have for the Visa Mid Easy, Bet Global, Nasha, and Nurseway, and of course you being a nurse in the United States, we learn a lot